back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how you can do a factory reset on your iPhone or iPad. Hi, I'm Raza, and if you're planning to upgrade your iPad or iPhone to a newer device, or if you're just having issues with your current device and need to do a factory reset and erase all the content, well, this video is for you. Of course, before you get started with the factory reset, you do want to make sure you have created a backup. If you don't know how to do the backup, I will go ahead and list the link down below for the step-by-step on how you can start the backup of your current device. So with that, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to settings, and then from here you want to go to general, and then from here you're going to scroll down until you see all the way at the bottom transfer or reset iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that, and then what you want to select from here is you want to select this option, erase all content and settings. I'm going to go ahead and hit that, and then once you hit that you will be presented with this screen, basically just letting you know that this will be completely removing all the contents and signing you out from your Apple ID. So yes, you want to go ahead and hit continue, and then at this point it's gonna ask you to enter your passcode for this iPhone. So I'm not gonna go ahead and hit the passcode on this one because I'm not wanting to reset this phone, but if you are looking to do the reset, this is the last step before it starts the reset process. So you will go ahead and hit your passcode in here, and then as soon as you enter the passcode, your phone will go ahead and restart and start the factory reset process, and then in a few minutes it will go ahead and reboot into the new setup screen, where it will give you the option to either set up the phone as a new phone or restore from your backup or iCloud. So there you have it, guys. In just a few steps you can go ahead and erase all the content and do a factory reset of your iPhone or iPad device. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick tutorial. Please remember to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon for notification. If you haven't already done so, please also remember to hit the like button. As always, see you on the next one.